All right, here's a really cool feature. So I got this stool. I was looking for a nice chair, and I've had people recommend the Walmart ones and that, but for one, I don't shop at Walmart, and two, they're kind of cheap. So I really pound stuff. So I beat the heck out of things. So that's why my gear's pretty strong, because it's like I definitely field test stuff. So I'm loving this chair. Like I said, I ripped the feet off of it already, and that's just going from concrete and gravel and every place else when I'm working outside. But I'm all on 2 wheels. So that was my goal. I wanted to get everything I needed for my balloon line stuff, balloon work, on 2 wheels. So I managed to do that. And getting in and out. So with the stand here, I'm going to try to show you this the best I can. I'm going to have to lower this a little bit so you get a better view of it. This, I put some clamps. Well, actually, I took some carabiners. Put it on there and then I'll kind of show you detail. So basically it has these little bars. I can actually set it right on my cart and then actually just bungee it. On the Aloha, I have 2 straps that you can actually attach it to. And I will show you all this in a minute. Alright, let's show you what I got here. Alright, so my chair, it's obviously a clown chair, but I have carabiners down here. So what I did on this, trying to get it so you don't get all that light in there. Let me try this side. So I took a carabiner, and I basically broke off the little flappy part right here. So there was that little piece right there. I broke that off, and then I basically just clamped it to the front of the Zuka. The chair actually sits on just like that. And then I bungee it to the top. Now, if you have an Aloha, in the back, in the zipper, and the Velcro sleeve where the handle pulls through, you actually have 2 little belt loops here. You got 2 large loops. It was supposed to be for a backpack idea I had. I just left them on there. They're great. I'm glad I did. I can attach things to it. So I just bungee it, so that just gets bungeed onto there. And then I can take my whole cart, tip it back, and I'm completely mobile with everything I've got. So everything I got on one cart. On 2 wheels. I only do 1 trip. Bye, guys. Bye-bye, thank you. All right, I'm out of here. All right, there's the van. It's got my name on it so I don't lose it.